Welcome to another Blues 2-Minute Garden Tips. This one is indoors, sowing some garden greens. I start with the soil that you've seen in the last episodes, how I started. Remember, I use the boiling water to make sure that none of those gnats are here. I'm going to sow some super red romaine lettuce seeds. So first thing you're going to do, go ahead and sprinkle them liberally. I don't mind overseeding. I'm going to actually cut these and pick these a little young for my salads. So I don't mind overseeding, and I hopefully may be able to grow them as cut and come again. In addition to the red romaine, I'm going to be growing some arugula, slow bolt arugula. And similar, just going to oversprinkle. Don't be afraid to use lots of seed. It's always okay to pick them young. In addition to the arugula and red romaine, I'm going to be planting some little gem ButterHead lettuce. These are tiny little heads, but sometimes I pick them early as well. So again, I overseed so that there's plenty, and then I can cut and come again. Overseed plenty of the little gem ButterHead lettuce. In addition to those three, I'll add some Bloomsdale spinach. These are a little bit bigger seed, but the good news is they all like the same conditions. They're all going to grow with the same soil type, the same temperature. They don't mind it being a little cool, so they'll be on the bottom rack of my growing lights. And also, as you see, when I start to cover, they all are planted fairly shallowly. They all go about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch deep with some peat and some compost that I have. And just cover evenly, not a thick, like I said, 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch, about 1/2 centimeter for those of you following overseas. Nice even coat. Once you get them set up on your lights, underneath your lights, don't forget to water everything in very well. The soil should be a little damp before you start your seeds so that you don't have them sucking all the moisture out of the seeds. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blues Garden Tips. Thank you very much.